Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying the online class. Yes or no? Yes. So I'm going to handle Hindi today. Until now you were all were learning about the basics only. So hereafter we'll be learning the lessons from the textbooks. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Shall we get into the lesson now? Yes. Okay. So before we start the lesson, we have a small story in page number 4. So shall we open the page number 4? Okay, now children please open page number 4. We'll see the short story. It is a very interesting story also. Okay, now
our story name is Bandar or Topi Wala. So we are going to see a story about a monkey and a cap seller. Okay, now see the first picture. What is the first picture says? शहर जाकर सारी टोपियाँ बेच दूंगा और बहुत से रुपए कमाऊंगा. So now the cap seller, what he is planning, like he is having lots and lots of caps and he want to sell those caps, earn lots and lots of money. On the way to the market, he sees a huge tree and under the tree he starts taking the rest. After few time, what this monkey does, which is on the tree, they start taking one cap from the cap seller. One monkey says, यह टोपी मेरी है, this is mine. Another monkey says, मुझे भी दो, give me too. So they start fighting. In the third picture, अरे मेरी सारी टोपियाँ कहाँ गई? Now the cap seller is wondering, where are my caps? Now this monkey is from the top, he is saying, ऊपर देखो, look here. So the monkey is saying, look up. Means the monkey is on the tree. So he is saying, look here. In the fourth picture, the cap seller comes out with a good plan. What he is trying to do now? He is throwing the cap in front of the monkey. The fifth picture, as the cap seller throws his cap down, the monkeys on the top of the tree, they also start throwing their caps down. The sixth picture, the cap seller, what he says, धन्यवाद मूर्खो, मुझे मिल गई मेरी टोपियाँ. Now he has fooled the monkeys and he is thanking the fools. I got back all my caps. The moral of the story is, whenever we come across any difficulty, we have to plan it properly and execute it. Shall we go to the next poem? That is the first poem of our book. So our poem name is Desh Hamara. So what is the title of the poem? Desh Hamara. So what do you mean by Desh Hamara? Desh means our country. Hamara means ours. So it is our country. Next, shall we see the first stanza? भारत देश हमारा है, सब देशों से न्यारा है. So what do you mean by भारत देश हमारा है? भारत देश हमारा है, India is our country. सब देशों से न्यारा है. It is very beautiful compared to the other country. उच्च हिमालय मस्तक इसका, पग पर चल के सागर है, नदियाँ भरी है शीतल जल से, झीले जर्रे गागर है. उच्च हिमालय मस्तक किसका? That means उच्च means top, Himalaya means mountain, Mastak means forehead. So what he is saying, from the top of the Himalaya, पग पर चल के सागर है. पग पर चल के सागर है means from the top of the Himalaya, the water which is coming, that is the river which is coming out of the Himalaya is becoming as a sea. That is pag par. Pag par is nothing but down. Down becomes a sea. नदियाँ भरी है शीतल जल से. नदियाँ भरी है means river is filled with शीतल जल. शीतल is nothing but pure. Jal means water. So river is filled with pure water. झीले झरने गागर है. झीले झरने गागर है means झीले means pond, झरने means waterfalls. So what he is saying, झीले झरने गागर है. That means the pond and the waterfalls, it is been collected in particular place. So gagar is nothing but the place where these waters are collected. Now let's see the next line. पेड़ों पर लटके मीठे फल, धरती पर हरियाली है, खेत खलिहान है भरे अन्न से, हर घर में खुशहाली है. So now the poet is saying, in our country, पेड़ों पर लटके मीठे फल हैं. So the trees are filled with lots of sweet fruits. मीठे means sweet, फल means fruits, पेड़ों means you all know tree. Next, धरती पर हरियाली है. So our country is full of greenery. धरती is nothing but earth. हरियाली means greenery. Greenery around our earth. खेत खलिहान है और बड़े अन्न से हर घर में खुशहाली. खेत खलिहान means agriculture land. So our agriculture land is filled with unn. Unn is nothing but the food grains. So because of these food grains, हर घर में खुशहाली है. So our all the houses are filled with happiness. खुशहाली is nothing but happiness. घर means house. देश हमें प्राणों से प्यारा, इसको सदा संवारेंगे, शांति दया की राह अपनाकर जग को आदर्श बनाएंगे. Now देश हमें प्राणों से प्यारा. What do you mean by that? So we all like our country, right? Yes. So देश हमें प्राणों से प्यारा है means we like our country. इसको सदा संवारेंगे. इसको सदा संवारेंगे means we always respect the country. शांति दया की राह अपनाकर. So how we can give respect to our country? By maintaining silence. Shanti means silence. Daya means feeling pity on others. We should not be violent towards others. Next, जग को आदर्श बनाएंगे. So by being silent, feeling pity, we can make our country proud. So आदर्श means idol. So our country should be an idol for other country. Next, भारत देश हमारा है, सब देशों से न्यारा है. So again he is coming back and saying India is our country and सब देशों से न्यारा है. It is very beautiful compared to the other country. Now we'll see the summary of the poem. So what the poet is saying, India is our country and it is very beautiful compared to the other countries. And our country is filled with mountains, and from those mountains we get rivers, and those rivers becomes finally sea. Okay, now and not only river, we get pond, it becomes a pond as well as, and the waterfalls which is coming, that also becomes like it is being stored somewhere. Okay, now so that is the nature of our country. Next, what is saying, our now trees in our country is very beautiful and it gives lots and lots of sweet fruits. And now again what he is saying, he is saying that our earth is filled with greenery. Yes or no? Yes. So it is filled with greenery with agriculture land. So in this agriculture land we produce lots of grains, and those grains is being used by the people in the house. Yes or no? So because of those grains, all people are very happy because we get lots of food to eat, right? Yes. It not only grains, we get many vegetables, many fruits from the agriculture land also. Yes or no? So which produce or which gives lots and lots of happiness to us. Yes or no? Next what he is saying, we should be proud of our country and we should always stay silent and we should always be
feel pity on others and we should not be violent with others. Yes or no? So we should be proud of our country. So India is our country. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you and see you in the next class. Bye bye.